Network Entertainment.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our very special musical guest. Da-da-da-da-da. Do you remember 21st night, September? I love what's changing the minds, pretenders, but chasing the clouds away.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome this very unknown band, the Planeteers. Fire! Water! Earth! Wala nga lang heart, but you know, by your
Nasaan yung
powers
kanta?
combined.
Nasaan yung kanta?
Captain Planet, he's the hero. Gonna take pollution down to zero. Gonna help you loot and plunder. Wait, no. Bad guys who like to loot and plunder. You'll pay for this, Captain Planet. We're the Planeteers, and you can be one too. Because saving our planet is the thing to do. Looting and polluting is not the way. Hear what Captain Planet has to say. The power is yours. I'm actually really pleased at myself that I still remember everything.
Parang We Are the World, new version.
Okay.
Water, 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 water. Tapos yun.
Make me sweat.
Ayun.
Make me water. Bakit kasi water, water?
Water, 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 water. Tapos, how can I breathe with no air? With no air.
And then the Babyface song, Fire.
Fire. Oo. Ayun, yan. Sige, ano pa ba?
Madami. There's a plethora of songs. Let's just put it.
Pero ang ganda talaga ng Earth, Wind, and Fire. You have to admit. Nandun na yung Earth, nandun na yung Wind. Ang kulang na lang water. So dapat Earth, Wind, and Fire featuring Tyla.
Okay.
May water.
Clearly,
water.
I think at this point, you already know what we're going to be talking about. But before everything else, we'd like to welcome you to Only Fun. His name is Chico Garcia.
And his name is Gino Killiamore. And welcome to Only Fun. We're back to the Bahay Studios.
We're back. Broadcasting from the comforts of our own homes.
That's right.
With
from the
no
comfort
pants.
I have.
Wow. Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm wearing I came from work, so I'm wearing pants.
Wow, okay. I just woke up, so no.
And again, from the comfort of our own homes, and
let's
at the
just
mercy
say
of my internet.
Let's just say that a lot of air is passing through right now.
Stop right there, and you're not.
And
wearing
this one
pants.
bends a little to the left.
Technically, it's not air. It's called gas. It's not air. Air is refreshing.
No, wala kasi akong pantalon, so breezy lang. Galawag breezy.
Breezy.
No, but okay.
Okay.
So, yeah. I think this has been a long time coming.
So
I have
super
a pretty big
delayed.
confession to make. You know that I've never seen Avatar. I mean, I think I saw one episode like back when the anime came out, and I never really got into it because I didn't watch the first one. So I'm like, oh, hey, Avatar, well, whatever. Earth, Wind, Fire, blah, blah, blah. Bending. So I was never really, I mean.
Hater nung bending.
No. Don't get me.
Hater.
Because that's what I would hear. Alam mo yung parang people were like, ooh, I'm controlling the fire. Ooh, I'm controlling the air. Alam mo yung
hater.
I never hated it, okay? I had nothing against it. It just, I don't know. It just, maybe at that time that I heard about it, I just wasn't as much into anime as I should have been. But of course, I heard so much about it already. I had heard people raving about it, and yun nga, parang meron pa, di ba, yung Legend of Korra, and people were telling me, this anime changed my life, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, well, it changed your life, but it didn't change mine. You know what I mean? Like, ganun lang ako. Parang I was just so
Bending,
None.
bending.
Bending. Ganun. So I really wasn't affected by it. Alam mo yun, parang, I was like, okay, all right, sure, whatever. And
Alam
then,
mo, hanggang mamayang gabi, siguro nag-ano ka, bending. Nakakainis. Nakakairita, I promise you. Bending. Alam mo, excited ka na. Oo, tapos si Ang, di ba, nag-bench siya ng air. Bending.
So alam mo yun, parang, and then Netflix obviously released this whole live action thing, and you know, it was a big deal. The cast even came here, and was it here or did they?
Here, two of them.
They came here.
Si Gordon tsaka si
Ang.
Darwin. Oh, tsaka si Zuko.
Si Zuko.
What's his name? Basta.
Yeah, and of course, but I actually watched the M. Night Shyamalan movie, which apparently we don't talk about.
Pinakawali.
Exactly.
Pinakawali.
Exactly. So maybe that's why I also was like, kasi parang I missed the anime, and they were like, oh, here's a movie that's gonna come out. So I'm like, all right, I guess I watched the movie. And then I watched the movie, and I was like, oh, hey, there's nothing fantastic about it at all. So I was like, wala, never na akong I never got interested in it anymore. Like, because nga parang, okay lang, si Slumdog Millionaire yung si Zuko, diba? And then so I was like, oh, okay, whatever. And then this Netflix came out, and then I was telling myself, you know what? I'll make it a point to watch this, but should I watch it first? Because with One Piece, when the live action came out, after I watched the live action, which I binged, I ended up watching, you know, the actual anime. So I was thinking na parang, with Avatar, like, should I start off watching the anime naman and then watching? But I never got around to doing it just because like there were so many things that I had to watch. And so the only reason I actually picked it up was because we were going to do this episode.
Okay.
And go.
Mine naman is a long journey. Di ba I told you na, yun nga, okay, I've told you the story before na parang I was super into anime. Pero the mecha era, the Voltes 5, Mazinger Z, tapos nung naban siya sa Philippines, binan siya kasi it was too violent. Ang natira, yung mga sweetie, mga girly, which I wasn't really into, yung mga Ron the Flower Angel, yung mga basta yung mga ganon, yung mga hindi ko talaga type.
Show?
Like, kasi I try.
The Flower Angel. What? Is it a real thing?
Totoo, i-Google mo please. Can you just Google it now?
Oh my God, it's actually real. Ron the Flower. Hana no Kolunlun. Oh yeah.
Ron the Flower Angel.
Oh my God.
Talagang
yeah,
like,
it's an actual thing.
She
has blonde hair.
She's like this
weird doll type
God,
thing.
This is
She's
so
dogs
corny.
or whatever.
Parang,
yeah, that's so weird.
So parang after that, I stopped watching. So by the time the iconic anime, yung mga super naging iconic for the
Dragon
90s
Ball,
kids, Dragon Ball, Naruto, lahat yan I completely missed. Ghost Fighter, lahat. Now, when I rediscovered, I had a brief introduction to it kasi my nephew at one time, pero panahon pa to ng VHS he tried to get me
into... Ano yun, Tito?
Tigilan mo ako, inabutan mo yun. So
ano po yun? Yun ba yung nire-rewind gamit yung sports car?
Pero nakakainis.
Alam mo, poser.
Ano siya, yung parang kinonvince niya ako to watch Ranma 1/2, which I found this is so subversive.
The original transgender siya, di ba?
Exactly. Na parang he's a boy. Pag binasa mo siya, magiging girl siya. Like a girl.
Pag na-wet siya, girl siya. Ang galing.
Oo. Tapos pag nagbabad siya ulit sa warm water, magiging boy siya ulit. So it's kind of weird. It's a really weird. Pero I loved it.
Wait lang. Sorry. Hold that thought real quick. So what if Ranma is in the act as a boy? As a boy, okay? So as a boy, if he inserts himself,
oh my God,
it's a warm liquid, right? So do you say
I can't I can't believe
but really think of try to analyze it. Really try to analyze it. Like what happens? Like alam mo yung para wet. So magiging babae ba ako? Tapos pero at the same time it's warm wetness. So magiging lalaki ba siya ulit? I don't know.
These are the
thoughts that haunt my mind.
Hi, I'm Joelle, and I'm back. Did you miss me? I wouldn't call this a season 2, but rather just another era with more lessons, realizations, and thoughts from all the overthinking. And it's not just gonna be me this time. We'll have special guests, other POVs, para mas marami pa tayong masagot na paano kungs ng buhay to hopefully help you find the answers you're looking for. Tara, this is Joelle's podcast, Paano Kung.
I don't even know what to tell you. I really don't know even. I don't even know what to tell you.
Kailangan,
like
let's just say they're
boiling
doing it
water
in the
level.
jacuzzi. Parang, does it?
Ayun, no, yun ang problema.
Diba? Oh, I don't know.
Di ba kasi sa tubig gawin? Pwede namang sa ano lang.
Paano kung medyo napasubo ka? Parang nandun na kayo, di ba?
Diba? Ano gusto sabihin, pero hindi
Doesn't it register in your brain na parang what are the dynamics of this?
Maybe in your brain. Maybe in your brain.
Yes.
Anyway,
okay.
Tapos, so napanood ko yun. Pero alam mo, that wasn't enough to get me into all the other mga iconic anime, ganyan.
Okay.
So, every time somebody brings it up, yun, meron akong ganon na parang mga Dragon Ball. So, meron akong ganon. So, until, di ba I told you naman, the thing that really got me into it was Attack on Titan. So, one of our listeners, Ayot. I think, parang got me into it.
Ayot. AOT. Ayot. Diba? Is that not what it is called?
Out. Ako kasi out ang pag-pronounce ko.
I think out is a German pronunciation, like umlaut. You know what I mean? This is more Filipinized kasi A-O-T. Ayot. No?
Ayot. Sige, Ayot.
So,
sige.
Yung talaga, doon ka nag-enjoy, di ba, sa Ayot, no?
And it was my first time.
Oh!
Uy, oo! Late na ako, ha? Late na ako, promise. Okay. And so I watched Ranma naman.
Okay.
But that was it. Tapos, Attack on Titan was my first ever and that kind of like snowballed. After that, nanood na ako ng Food Wars, nanood na ako ng Haikyuu, nanood na ako ng
My Hero Academia.
Yes, later on na yun. Yung I write your name, you die. Yeah.
Death Note. Death Note. I write your name, you die.
Death Note.
This is why we are not writers of TV shows and movies.
Death Note.
Napanood mo yung last episode ng I write your name, you die? Ay, grabe, no? Pero actually, babagay tayo sa K-drama. Di ba ang weird na mga titles?
Di ba ganun yung mga nila? Hindi, pero yun nga. So Attack on Titan. But actually, before Attack on Titan, I felt like winarm up ako ng The Last Airbender, ng Avatar. Kasi nga, when I watched it, I don't know why, I tried to watch it. And I wasn't into anime at the time.
Wait,
pero
diba,
I didn't consider it.
It's a weird anime kasi Nickelodeon siya technically.
Nickelodeon siya. But a lot of people consider it anime kasi very anime yung style. Pero it's in English.
Right.
It's,
but technically, it's not a Japanese creation.
Yes. Kaya nga it's more of like a warm-up. And when I watched it, it changed my world. Like, I loved it so much. At the time, I've never seen anything like it. Like, it's like the very idea that there's this like the Fire Nation, the air nomads, the Earth,
the waterbenders, and what is
it?
Water tribe.
Water tribe. Water tribe, Fire tribe. Nation. Earth
shakers, earth movers.
Earth shakers. Earth movers and shakers.
In the hustle and bustle of the
hustle and bustle, the movers and shakers. In the tapos, so I think super gusto ko siya.
Synergized with the airbenders.
I really super loved it. And I think that's what whetted my appetite again for anime. Kaya by the time
the time na nag-ayot ka, wet ka na.
Hirap mong kausap. May nakapagsabi na ba sa'yo nun?
Parang
lahat na lang nagiging bastos.
Alam mo, nasa boys night out to eh. Bago naman mag-boys night out, hindi ako ganito eh.
Hoy, tumigil ka na dyan. Kahit sa The Morning Rust, napaka-bastos mo na.
Oy, sa'yo ako natutunan yun.
Oy. Ako napaka-pure ko at napaka-dalisay ko.
Sure, degenerate.
Helen? Anyway,
Anyway.
sige. Anyway.
Oh.
So, when I found out that they were doing a live action, I was super excited. But,
Okay.
just like you when it comes to mga live action versions of video games, yung, alam mo namang may trepidation ka.
May
diba? A little bit
reservations
scared.
ka.
Especially after the abomination that was the M. Night Shyamalan version of Avatar. We were scared.
Yeah.
But then, when I watched it, I was really pleasantly surprised. It was pretty close, to the point that, because you remember when I watched this was a long time ago. Nung pinanood ko siya, parang kakatapos pa lang niya. So,
yung pinanood mo sa
I
midlife
literally-
crisis ka na, no?
Uy, tigilan mo ako. Ngayon pa lang yun. When I watched it, I mean, ano pa siya? Like, what do you use? Like, it wasn't a sacred thing at the time.
It wasn't a cult classic yet.
It wasn't a cult classic yet. Because it was Avatar. So,
yeah.
I mean, for me, parang like, it was so
Hindi pa
long
siya
ago
goated. Yun.
Not yet. And by the time I watched this one, to be honest, I was like, is that what happened? Like, I literally
is that how you
forgot,
remember
because
it?
it was such a long time ago when I watched it.
Yeah.
So I'm actually watching again the animated version. Kasi nga parang like,
Okay.
I don't remember.
And so
this.
did they get it close? Because again, I don't have a point of
Oh my
reference.
gosh, it's pretty spot on. May mga like,
Of course, they had to shorten certain things, I'm sure.
not as shortened as
You would think.
yung Ghost Fighter.
Oh, right.
Kasi yun talaga parang ang gulo nung like ginugulo
timeline.
nila yung story, yung timeline. Ito pretty much the same naman. Ano lang, siguro one arc medyo minove up nila, one arc minove down. Pero pretty much it's very faithful. This is closer to One Piece than it is to Ghost Fighter. And my gosh, can I just say, like, Gordon Cormier is a star.
Yeah.
He's such a star. Like, if you were able to catch that, parang they released it on X na he was, I think it was his audition for his first ever series. Hindi pa ito, iba pa. He was a little kid then. Oh my gosh, alam mo yung bata talaga, like kid, not even teenager, like a kid. Pero yung a few seconds of him doing
being
the script,
on screen,
and you're like, oh my gosh, this kid is going to be a star. Like when he smiles, yung parang he lights up the entire room, like rays of joy emanates from him. Like he draws you in. Like, let's fight the bad guys, and you're like, you'll rally behind him. Parang he's got this Tom Cruise, but in kid form.
No, plus energy. I know that I'm pretty
so good.
If I remember correctly, he's also very like Tom Holland, na parang extremely athletic, agile,
martial arts.
So like he kind of got this down pat. I will say that first episode within 30 minutes of the episode, I'm like, holy shit, why did I not watch this? Kasi ang ganda ng like I'm pretty sure I should have listened to my friends when they were telling me you need to watch it or whatever, because like I'm pretty invested in it. Like the whole, you get stuck in a block of ice 100 years later, tapos all the benders are now gone. Because I was thinking, so I was trying to figure it out. Parang, okay, why is it the last airbender? There's a lot of airbenders, and I'm like, the Fire Nation is gonna attack them. Tapos no in-attack na siya. I'm like, okay, so that's why he's the last airbender. Tapos alam mo yung parang, and then it cuts to the next scene where, what's her name? Si Gerlalu, Frozen Tribe.
Katara.
Si Katara was like playing around with the water. And I'm like, that's the best. Like, I mean, that's the water bender that, he was going to. Tapos yun pala, parang all of the other benders pala are all gone na. So alam mo yung parang, dun pa lang. And also, I need to ask, because this is pretty, I mean, it's not brutal.
It's dark.
But it has a lot of implied brutality. Diba na parang, like when they were attacking the airbenders, the Fire Nation, like, kunwari, there was just one airbender who was spinning around in a circle tas sinunog lang ni Fire Lord na habang naging spinning fire tornado. Alam mo yun, parang, yeah, I mean, they didn't naman show na parang, she melted into a puddle of goop or whatever. But there's a lot of, yun nga, violence and brutality in it. So, I wanted to ask, is it the same in the anime?
It is. Alam mo yung, I don't know just how explicit, no? Pero like, yun nga, like the whole idea that he is the last airbender. Hello, na Teggy Bells na yung
Which
lahat ng
means,
mga airbender. Di ba? No. What I mean?
The narrator. 100 years later, and the last airbender is the only bender left because all of the other benders are not Teggy Bells na.
Kasi nga, di ba, parang, hindi ba they were wiped out? So,
I don't know how to take this seriously.
What? Di ba, parang, no.
Wait, what happened to my trainer / mentor? Yun na, Teggy Bells na.
Tapos yung yung kanyang breakdown, no! Lahat sila Teggy Bells! No!
Fire Lord! Ito Teggy Bells din kita!
Shootay ka sa akin, Fire Lord! Shootay kita!
Diba? And then also that one scene where basically it's like a Revenge of not Revenge of the Sith. What's the third Star Wars movie? Phantom Menace, Attack of the Clones. It's not Revenge of the Sith.
Sit down, you're rocking the boat.
You're rocking the boat. Ano episode 3? Ang hirap mo kausap. What is it? Oh my God, I can't believe I'm forgetting what the title of episode 3
Attack
is.
of the Clones.
Revenge of the Sith. Empire Strikes Back pala yung 5th. Anyway, Revenge of the Sith. It's like when Anakin killed all the younglings. You know what I mean? Like,
yes.
What is not shown on screen is that all the young airbenders were probably burnt to a crisp.
Everyone, all ages, young, old, girl, boy.
Bakla, tomboy, butiki baboy. Diba? Na Teggy Bells lahat.
Meron palang butiki baboy yun. Hindi ko alam yun
alam girl, boy, bakla, tomboy, butiki baboy.
Oh my God.
So yeah, it's a little dark. And then imagine putting all of this into the like on the shoulders of a young boy who's barely like 12. I think that was his age here, right? I mean, before he got frozen in ice. So it's Metro Wild. But I am invested. I want to watch the anime. Yes. Will I continue watching the live action one? Also, yes. I think I'll finish the live action one first and then I'll watch
that. That's my advice. Total, you're into the live action already. Para hindi masyadong magulo. Like, watch the entire live action first to the very end. And trust me, even if you know what will happen, it is worth watching the animated. Kasi I've seen the live action. I've seen the animated. But I'm watching the animated again. And to be honest, I feel like I'm watching it for the first time.
Right.
Even though I have watched it and I've recently watched the live action, I still feel like I'm watching it for the first time. Because it's that good. It's really, really good. I mean, like, it's one of those rare, akala mo it's very pambata, pero it's actually very adult.
The themes are actually adult.
Very adult.
There is one thing that I will note though. You know how at the start of the live action, when they show Aang in the Airbenderville, Air Village, whatever it's called, Air Base.
Oh, you know where they live? You know where the Airbenders live? In the Airbnb.
Hindi, ano ka ba? Taga-Ermita sila.
Ermita. Hindi, nakaano lang sila, nakasabit lang silang ganun, parang bats.
Bakit?
They're hanging.
Alam mo sino favorite celebrity nila?
Oh no!
Si Eruption. Si Eric Tai.
Okay.
Imagine mo lahat sila nagtiting-ting lang, no? Ting-ting-ting. Oo.
Bakit na naman tayo? Ba't lagi na lang ba't yung random ano?
Bakit yun yung default dance move mo? Ting-ting-ting-ting-ting-ting. Anyway. One of the things that I will note though is that at the start where it's supposed to be like, you know, he's like You know how there's supposed to be a scene na parang wow when he jumps down from the top of like a temple. Medyo yung CGI doon medyo sumabit for me. Parang,
that's very that's very controversial kasi nung lumabas pa lang nung super kakalabas pa lang niya, people were saying, oh no, like we had such high hopes for the live action, and then first scene mo pa lang, parang Aang doesn't fly. He needs his glider to fly. He's
so he doesn't fly.
He doesn't fly like a butterfly, but like more like
fly.
Pero to be fair, ina-explain naman later. Siguro lang they wanted to make a very cool first scene diba, with Aang. So, pero even naman later on, makikita mo na he doesn't really fly. He does need his glider. It's more like kasi kahit naman sa cartoon, meron naman siya mga parang click yung kunyari, tatalon lang siya from, yung imbis na mag-parkour siya, he can cushion his fall a little bit with air. So, he gets what I get.
He's like a falling leaf. Ganon, no?
May konti ka namang propulsion. Yung very, ng konti na, hindi naman all out fly like a bird, but more like fly like a semi-Iron Man with his
or like a chicken. Alam mo yung gano'n, yung parang...
Medyo. So, hindi naman siya ganun ka malayo.
No, for me kasi, I didn't even know that part. It was more of like the CGI was, alam mo yung halatang-halata mo na CGI. Alam mo yung gano'n, yung hindi as suave. And I know that Netflix was really like, pushing this show, which shouldn't dissuade you from actually watching it because like the story in itself is actually really good. The rest of it, lang yun, I'm nitpicking. Na alam mo yung parang, okay, medyo sumabla yung graphics doon ako.
Tsaka talaga, alam mo yung it follows the typical, it's the anime tropes talaga. Like, for example, it's the loser who doesn't really know anything. He's the worst avatar ever. And then turns out he's going to be like the hero that saves the day. Very Naruto, di ba? Na you're the pinaka-lek-lek ninja here, but you end up saving the entire village, di ba? So, but it also follows even the Naruto, di ba? Even Harry Potter, Naruto, yung 2 boys, 1 girl, di ba? It's always like
That's
that.
True.
It's always very, it's that pattern in Naruto. It's 2 boys and 1 girl. Harry Potter, 2 boys and 1 girl. Laging ganun yung parang, so it follows a lot of it. Kaya it's such a classic. It's one of those things that I will never tell you to just watch one and skip the other. It has got to be one of those. Please watch both. Very much like, go watch like One Piece. Pero, you know what, if you can, although One Piece kasi medyo, we're talking 1,500.
So medyo malala yung in terms of
medyo malala, 'di ba? Ako nasa season 9 pa lang ako, parang feeling ko layo-layo ko pa. But this one kasi it's finite. It gets finished in parang 3 books. Hindi siya, I wouldn't say 3 seasons, pero 3 books. So, matatapos mo siya. Very doable na matatapos mo yung entire series. Na hindi ka naman kailangan mag-commit ng lifetime bago matapos.
Okay.
So,
well, there you go. You should definitely check it out. It's super easy to watch anyway. I think you can watch this with your kids. I mean, they don't really show naman.
Oh, yeah. No. It's Nickelodeon pa rin siya.
Meron yung subtitles niya parang screaming in agony. May mga ganun na. Medyo may ganun na. Kasi I mean, obviously, if you're being melted down by fire, like, I'm pretty sure that's a painful way to go. So, yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
So there you go.
I guess PG-13 would be the best.
PG-13, yeah.
You can check it out. It's on Netflix. I believe the entire first season is already out, right? Yeah. It has been a while. So of course, we want to thank our partners, the Pod Network Entertainment. You can check us out on social media. It's at OnlyFunPH. Ashley Garcia for him. At Gino.Dillamore for me.
All right. So we'll see you next episode. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.